Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to create a line graph out of the 13 colonies when they entered the Union. And just so you know, I had you put in 1987 and the different dates because it does not read the 1700s. So when you do that, if you've typed it up like 1997 or whatever, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to format the cells to make sure they read more like this so you can't see the year, which should be 17 instead of 19. So I'm going to right mouse click up, so I want to format all those cells. So let's double click on that. And I'm going to select from December 7th all the way down to May. And I'm going to right mouse click on it, and I'm going to format the cells. And if you have not done this, or if yours is reading wrong, I want you to make sure you have date, and I want you to choose this one right here, which doesn't read the year, the full year. Let's click OK. This one is also one that doesn't, but I'm just going to use this one. So after that, I'm going to insert the line graph. So to do that, it's simple. You click Insert Line, and you choose one of these. I would say start with this row, and then if you have time, you can try another one. I'm going to do this one right here, and there we have it. Now, what I need to do is I need to first select the data so I get the states in it, because the states are not put in this chart yet. Their states' names aren't listed, just the date. So I have to go to Select Data, and I want to find the horizontal axis labels. So I'm going to click Edit, and I'm going to click the red, white, and blue button, and I'm going to drag from Delaware all the way down to Rhode Island. That red, white, and blue button is the one that allows you to access something. So I'm going to do, again, from Delaware to Rhode Island. Then I click the red, white, and blue button again. That's the name I've given it. It may have a more appropriate name, but it explains itself if I call it that. So there it is. Now my states are listed down there, and I'm going to click OK. And OK, because I see that my states are there. Once you're done selecting the data, you are going to go to the layout view. The layout view is what's going to let us do a few other things. We're going to add the chart title, the chart axis, and we also are going to get rid of this legend. I'm going to have you get rid of the legend first. So let's drop this down and say none. That series 1 is a legend. See it right there? And then when I click none, it goes away, so you should not have the legend. I also want to get rid of the states down here, and I want to put them up on the line chart. So another thing I want to do is go to Data Labels, and yours might look different because yours is a lot bigger, but so I'm going to go to More Data Label Options, and right now we're going to get rid of value because there it has what came up is the date, and I don't want the date there. So I'm going to get rid of the date, and I'm going to put the category name, which will be the state. You can't see it, it's all smudged together. So I'll pull that over so you can see better. So the category name, and just close it. There I have all the states. I want to get rid of this now because I want the states up here, and I'm going to show you how to make it look nicer. So the axis labels, where am I going? Oh, the axis labels is over here. Sorry. So here's the axis and the horizontal axis, and I'm going to say none. So there it's gone. Now what I have to do is I have to toggle. Here is the state of Delaware. I'm going to toggle that up. And then the state of Georgia, which is number 2. If you look over on the side, you'll see it. Toggle that down. And you're going to make this look just so much nicer. And then number 3 is Connecticut. So I always like to go up, down, up, down. You can finish that. I think you can figure that out. So just make sure it's very close to the marker, and each marker is a state. So each of these are a marker, so you want to make sure it's as close as you can be without overlapping on another state. You just want it to make it look aesthetically nice. So once you have that done, You are going to add a title. So here's the chart title, and the chart title is going to be, I'm going to put it centered overlaid, and I want you to type. Let me pull it down a little bit. Your first and last name. First, let me get rid of it. Sometimes you can just type and it just shows up, but I think because I clicked out of it. So type first, last name, and then you guys are either 7A or 7B, so put a comma and then 7B or 7A. So your name should be up there at the top. That's all you have to do. What I'd like you to play with then, and be sure you fix this, because I'm going to be critical of this if this does not look nice. So when you're finished with that, I'm going to have you decorate it a little bit. So I'm going to right mouse click on this chart, and I'm going to format the plot area. And you can make it a solid fill if you want, or you can make it colors if you want, a gradient fill, or you can make it look like the flag. So again, the gradient fill could be a lot of different colors. The first stop color could be red. And then the second stop color could be white, and then we could have blue. I think it looks good now, but I just want to show you this. So you can get it. Stop color is white, and then the third stop color is blue. I got a dark blue so it stands out. Sorry, did I get there? Okay, so there I am. I have red, white, and blue. I also, if you do it that way, that was a plot area. I also want you to do the chart area the same way then. So this would be format chart area. You could do the gradient fill, and then you could do red, white, and blue, just like the other one. Okay, so I like it to look like that. Change the font color. You know how to do that with the home ribbon. Change the font style if you want. If this is too crowded, you might want to change the font size to a smaller size so that it looks nice. I will be grading on how aesthetically nice it looks. So take your time on it and do a good job. Thank you.